Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Published just 3 days ago, on July 29, 2026, a paper trending on Hugging Face boosts physical plausibility scores in video generation from 52% to 78%. The paper is titled VideoCoCo, Code as Chain of Thought for Physically Consistent Video Generation via an Agentic Dual Engine System. By generating executable 3D physics code first, it cleanly separates physical reasoning from visual rendering. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 compares 4 chain-of-thought paradigms for video generation, where intermediate reasoning steps guide the final visual output. Existing approaches rely on static text plans, iterative filtering of candidate videos, or sequential visual states, but these lack explicit physical control. In contrast, VideoCoCo introduces a code agent that synthesizes executable code, which runs in a sandbox environment to produce a deterministic draft video before final rendering. This process ensures the generated movement strictly follows precise physical rules. Figure 2 illustrates the dual engine framework in detail. On the left, the executable simulation engine takes a user prompt, writes a Python script for Blender, and renders a basic low-fidelity video draft, capturing the raw physics. On the right, the generative video engine combines this draft with a detailed editing instruction to produce the final, photorealistic video. Figure 3 presents qualitative comparisons across 4 complex physical processes, showing how VideoCoCo outperforms the baseline. Looking at the baseline results in orange, models like omniweaving often fail on real-world dynamics, such as missing an egg shattering on impact. In contrast, VideoCoCo, shown in blue, faithfully translates the motion draft into realistic videos. By following the gray draft video, the outputs accurately execute complex physical phenomena like buoyancy and sublimation. Table 1 details the quantitative physical consistency scores on the FiGen benchmark across closed and open source models. Looking at existing systems, top open source architectures like WAN 2.2 reach an average score of 0.54. However, adding VideoCoCo to the baseline omniweaving model at the bottom of Table 1 raises the average score from 0.48 to 0.56, surpassing all competing systems. The largest gains appear in material and thermal dynamics, which are areas where pure visual priors struggle because they lack explicit dynamic rules. Table 2 reports physical plausibility on the versus Bench 2.0 benchmark across mechanics, thermotics, and material dynamics. Adding VideoCoCo to omniweaving boosts its average score from 52% to nearly 78%. This 26 percentage point jump sets a new overall record, which is driven by top scores in mechanics at 92% and thermotics at 73%. Table 3 breaks down how each adaptation strategy contributes to performance on FiGen Bench. An ablation study systematically alters system components to see which part drives the gains. Interestingly, the tuning-free variant already improves the base score from 0.48 to 0.51, proving that executable drafts alone deliver strong physical reasoning. Applying lightweight, low-rank adaptation yields the highest overall average of 0.56 because it preserves strong visual priors while learning draft alignment. Overall, VideoCoCo proves that using executable code as a process-level chain of thought solves the physical consistency challenge in video models. By separating physical simulation from visual rendering, systems achieve remarkably accurate dynamic motion. That wraps up this look at physically consistent video generation. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.